Let's mount the new levers. You need an 8 and a big screwdriver. Take care if you pull it out, or take care when you pull it out, there are 1, 2, 3 washers. There are 4 washers in total. On top, a normal washer and a wave washer. And at the bottom 2 more, and watch out, one of the 4 has a smaller inner diameter, so it can only sit, 1 second, can only sit at the bottom because it doesn't slide up to the head of the screw. Four washers, the screw, and the screw nut. Use a little bit grease so that the washers stick. We shall. Start with 2 at the top. 1. It's always big fun. So, and we need the other 2 at the bottom. Wrong finger. They will fall down. You just glue it here. So the better solution is to put them in here. Some grease first. Oops. 2 washers, glue them together with grease and put them here. Center them with a screwdriver or so. Also center these. And now try putting them in. And hope that everything stays in place. I really hate this work. And something is in. Use the screwdriver again. So it looks. Ooh, that's a lot of tolerance. There we go. We have the screw nut, put it at the bottom. Yeah. Oh, getting there, getting there. Now the screw appears at the bottom. Put the nut there. So, got a little bit back. That's a lot of tolerance. Ay, ay, ay. And tighten the screw. What is going on here? Away. How about good old rasp? CNC machine. Way. There we go. Ah, not yet. CNC machine. And it's still me with rasp. Good old rasp. It is kind of embarrassing, isn't it? Disc brake, Millennium 2011. There is also a new lever for it, like this. We need a tenor at the bottom, and a big screwdriver on top. No. Is there a problem with the brake fluid? I'm gonna exchange it anyways, so I don't care. We can pull out this small piston without any problem. Just get rid of the screw nut. And now let's get out the big screw here. Take out, of course, sorry guys. You see it jumps out. It does not jump out. On the right side with the lever for the disc brake, we do have two washers, one at the bottom, one on top. No wave washer. Also use some grease. They should fit. Let's see. They do. Very well done. Put some grease at the bottom. Put the washer in. Put some grease on top. The washers hold due to the grease. Now push the piston in. Put the lever in. And the screw. We're good to go. First we have to put in the screw. No. A tenner. And this is position 1. Let's measure the difference between 1 and 6. Around here. This. 46.5. $52.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?